Hello, and welcome to Carpet Restoration Studio. We believe that the key to carpet restoration is to respect the rug, the tradition behind it, and the value, both emotional and monetary, that the rug holds. You can trust us to respect the rug throughout every stage of the process. We repair all of our clients' rugs by hand using handheld tools. This is important for authentic handcrafted rugs, so we stay faithful to the original process with an expert eye. Hand-knotted rugs are instantly recognisable for their far superior quality. Unlike tufted rugs, with their cotton scrims, a hand-knotted rug will last for years and through many immersion washes with proper care and maintenance. So, how are high-quality hand-knotted rugs made, and how do our repairs stay faithful to this process? A truly authentic hand-knotted rug is made on a traditional upright rug loom. The process involves weaving the coloured kabali threads from hanging bundles through the warp threads of the loom. To prepare the loom for weaving, the weaver must first prepare the warp by tightening the threads along two weaving swords or shed sticks. Two knots are used to move the warps back and forth on a wooden axle. Each warp is hemmed and the cotton thread is led through alternate warp threads to form a half-inch thick chain, which is locked down with thread locks. Now the warp is ready for the knotting process to begin. The weaving now begins. The hanging kabali threads are brought forward from between two warp threads and is knotted. The knot is cut with a knife and a new knot begins. The knots continue until the end of the row. The shuttle is brought across, a pick is used to beat in the knots, the axle is pulled down, the skein is crossed over and a new row of knots can begin. This process continues until the rug is finished. As you can see, the production process is precise and hands-on. As a result, our hands-on repair method is the most respectful and effective technique for true carpet restoration. All of our services, from restoration to cleaning and drying, are done with the utmost care and maximum hands-on time. Provided you maintain a hand-woven rug properly and send them for repairs to the right professional hands, your rug will last decades and generations, preserving its value and its design. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will consider Carpet Restoration Studio to give your rug the respect it deserves.